In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a team in ClickUp. By the end, you'll know exactly how to invite the right people so you can start collaborating in one place without any confusion. First, head to the ClickUp website and open your account. If you're already signed in, great. This will take you straight to your workspace. Think of your workspace as your company or organization's home base in ClickUp. If you belong to more than one, glance at the top left to confirm you're in the correct one before moving on. Using the wrong workspace is a common mistake and can send invites to the wrong area, so it's worth a quick double check. Next, look to the top left and click on your workspace name. This opens a menu with key settings and management options for your organization. From here, you'll jump into the place where you control who's part of your team and how they collaborate with you. Now select People. This is the hub for managing everyone connected to your workspace. You'll see current members and guests along with their status. It's helpful to understand that this is where you return later to see who has accepted invitations and to keep your roster tidy. Once you're in the People area, click on Invite People. This button is usually prominent, and it kicks off the process of bringing teammates into your workspace. If you don't see the option, you might not have permission to invite members, in which case an owner or admin will need to handle invitations. Otherwise, you're ready to go. In the invitation window, enter the email addresses of the people you want to add. For best results, use their work emails so they can easily identify the invite and associate it with your organization. Double-check the spelling. Typos can delay access. If you're inviting multiple people, you can enter several addresses at once, separating them clearly so each person receives an individual email. When you're confident everything looks correct, click Send Invites. ClickUp will email each person a secure link to join your workspace. They'll appear in your people list as pending until they accept. Once they confirm, they'll be able to log in and start collaborating with you on tasks, lists, and projects right away. If someone doesn't see the email, remind them to check their spam or promotions folders, and you can always resend the invitation from the People page. That's it. You've successfully created your team in ClickUp by inviting the right people into your workspace. Keep your People tab handy as your organization grows, and you'll stay organized from day one.